Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get YouTube in a smartwatch. So let's begin our video. It's pretty easy and simple. So first of all, you just need to swipe down from top and you can find two options, data or Wi-Fi. So I simply connect Wi-Fi with my smartwatch. So right now I just go back and right now I just need to find out Play Store. So here you can see I just find Play Store, just open it. So here you can see, so after open you just need to go simply search bar and type YouTube. So I shortly type YT and search it. So right now you can find your YouTube app, just install from here. So simply tap over install and you just need to wait for complete it. So after complete your downloaded, so here you can see, right now you just need to go back and open your YouTube app. So here you can see I just open my YouTube app. So after open, simply go to search bar, search something. So here I'm just going to show you, I search my channel. So here you can see it's showing right now. You can easily play it. So guys, it's pretty easy and simple to get YouTube or play YouTube on your smartwatch if your smartwatch support Android and you have to use a data or Wi-Fi to play it. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.